Hi guys, it's Paula and I hope you are doing well. This is going to be my Pan That Palette go-to look for the month of February. I am trying to show you guys what eye look I did the most for each month out of this year and how I am using my Pan That Palette. At the end of January, I thought for sure that this month was going to be all about cranberries, reds, and pinks, just every day over the entire month. However, something changed and Project Panning ended up changing the direction of my eye look for the month. The three products in particular that kind of influenced this eye look are this light purpley eyeliner. This is an old Mariposa eyeliner in the shade Iridescent Violet. I've had this forever, and this is in my Project 10 uses. And so I wanted to get some use out of it this month, and so this was part of the look. The next item that started to dictate this look was my MAC eyeliner in Auto de Blue. This was in my Birthstone Beauties project from 2018. I never finished it and it is driving me crazy. I want it gone. So I started using this again because it kind of took a break from it in January. I was just using it like as an eyeliner, but I've come back to using it as an eyeshadow base to just get more use out of it. So this was product number 2, and product number 3 was ColourPop's Kindness. This is in my Roulette Pan collab, and my only goal is to hit pan on it again, and I'm getting close, but I'm not there yet. And so I've just been trying to use this as much as possible so that I can hit pan by the finale on March 5th. So basically, as much as I had the intention of doing these kind of rosy, pinky, cranberry looks all month long, these 3 products ended up dictating my choices, and I created this eye look kind of focused around these 3. And I'm really happy with this eye look. A couple of you guys complimented me on it, so thank you so much. It is very appropriate for winter. I mean, every day I look outside and it's gray and gloomy and blue, so this kind of gray eye look almost seems perfect even though it's February. But I wasn't expecting this at all, and I was kind of surprised that this ended up being the look that I wore the most often during the month. So I hope you enjoy seeing how I created this eye look. Thank you so much for watching. Let's get into the eye look right now. All right guys, time to get started. For the first time ever, I tried to do one eye first, but I kept forgetting that I was only doing one eye. So I did one step with this eye, and that is applying this light purple eyeliner on the inner half of my eyelid. So if it looks a little purple there, that is this. I just take it and swipe it over my eyelid like that and apply a thin layer. So I jumped the gun a little bit. All right, the first thing I actually did when I was doing my right eye was I applied a little bit of Shimma Shimma on my brow bone. I'm getting really tired of saying Shimma Shimma. I do not like the way that sounds. So I'm gonna start here. It's a really shimmery powder, and so I'm finding that I prefer to do this first and then blend a transition color on top of it to kind of blend it out a little bit more, because otherwise it's just a little too much shimmer. Next, I'm going to go in with Soft Brown from MAC. This is in my Pan That palette. Same brush. And I'm just going to apply that all over my transition area. Like so. Okay, then I'm going to take my Never Ending MAC eyeliner in Auto de Blue. This was in a project all last year. I tried like heck to finish it. I didn't make it, and now I just want it gone. I can't roll it up to see how much is left, so I'm just taking it day by day. I'm going to take that eyeliner and kind of trace out the other half of my eyelid and create a little bit of a wing using the eyeliner. I never would have thought to combine these kind of products together for an eye look, but because they're all in Project Pans, they came together and I've actually been really enjoying this look so much, and a couple of you guys complimented it as well. Okay, now that that's on, I'm going to take ColourPop's Kindness. This is in my Roulette Pan collab. I've been trying like heck to hit pan on it again before the end of this round, and it hasn't happened yet, but I am so close. Maybe this is the time. I don't know. I do have to kind of work my finger into the product to get it warmed up and easier to apply on my eyelid. Oh, that's gotta be, there we go. And then I just spread it all over my entire eyelid. Ron's sitting next to me watching video games, so if you hear anything, that's what it is. Okay, that is pretty good. Let me check my mirror to make sure there aren't any weird spots or patches. Good. Okay, now I'm going to take Cocoa Bear from Makeup Geek. It is this beautiful warm brown shade right here, and I'm going to use a pencil brush and just run that kind of where the color on my lid meets the transition shade. And then I'm gonna take the brush I used to put my transition shade, soft brown, and I'm gonna dip back into soft brown and blend that out just a little. Okay, I'm going to take the pencil brush again, keep the product that was on there from Cocoa Bear, and dip it back into soft brown and run that on my lower lash line. Okay, next I'm going to take ColourPop's Glass Bowl. That's this little duochrome goodness right here, and apply that to the inner half or so of my eyelid where the purple eyeliner was. Okay, and finally I'm going to take a little brush. This is the Sonia Kashuk. I think it's called like it's a small brush. I can't remember what it's called. number 106, small something. And I'm going to use another single from my Pan That palette. This is Looksy Beauty's Starboy. It's blue and gold. It is very glittery. It's a little bit chunky, but it is stunning on the inner corner, inner third of my eyelid. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this and apply that on my eyelid and my tear duct. And maybe on my lower lash line just a little. Amazing. Okay, that is it for shadows. I'm gonna go in with liner and mascara, and I'm gonna start with my little ABH Liquid Gold. This is the liner I love to put on my lower lash line, right here. All right, I am going to apply my Marc Jacobs highliner in Blacker on my waterline and my Stila liquid liner on my top line. I'm not doing a wing or anything, just a thin black line, and then I'm gonna apply mascara and I will be right back. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing what my Pan That palette go-to look for February was. I did not see this coming, but sometimes I just zone in on some certain products and keep coming back to them. I am a little disappointed that I haven't hit Pan on Kindness yet, and that I haven't finished off this blue eyeliner yet, so we will see, we will see. Those two products are basically the reason why I did this look in February so often. I was very happy with this look in the end. On my lips, I have Too Faced liquid lipstick in Queen Bee. I think it's a melted matte lipstick in Queen Bee. And everything else is just Project Pan stuff all over my face. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.